have to say that I'm so happy that you guys as teachers, that you're motivating the children as well, because many times the teachers don't understand the importance of producing your own meal or your own vegetables, your own food, and especially here it's very, very important to do it, because as I mentioned, everything comes from abroad, and we're very concerned about the genetically modified situation, all those things. And obesity is also, a problem. You guys look very nice and skinny, but if we continue eating what we're eating, and it's not healthy, So we're so happy that you were able to visit us, and we hope that it's not your last visit. Bring your family along. It's a beautiful destination to have a vacation, but it's also important for you to go back home and share what you have learned here. Because as I mentioned to you before, Aruba is known, it's very small, it's very dry. It hasn't even, I think it only rained twice or three times this year. And but we're still producing, even though it's on a small scale, but we're still producing. So that's important that you share that even though it doesn't rain, it's possible. We're very happy that we have a minister based in Washington that's very aggressive, and she's doing a lot, because through these kinds of projects we're able to show what we're doing and getting the information what you guys are doing.
When I came, it was beautiful, it was windy, it was hot. I think I liked the wind the best because it felt good. We are staying for 3 days. I have learned about some birds, like one bird. They call it the sugar stealer, because when you put out sugar, it'll take sugar from that place, so a little bit of sugar. The plants look beautiful, even though there's not a lot of water here. And the schools, they still have recess like we do, and do almost everything the same, but it's just the time. We got chosen to represent our school to represent our school, and I think it's a big thing because we're not just representing our school, we're representing the whole United States, and we don't want to disgrace ourselves, and we have to think about other people, and it was just exciting to come here.